Hello students, welcome to the CS classroom. Today we are going to discuss about the topic nested quantifiers. Nested quantifiers are logical statements that use more than one quantifier, often applied in sequence. For example, here for all and there exist, both are used in a single sentence. So what this means is for every x there exists a y such that pxy this statement is true. As we all know, types of quantifiers, there are two types of quantifiers: universal quantifier for all and the existential quantifier there exists. Now let's discuss the structure of nested quantifier. They often take this form. Here for all is used and the existential quantifier. So, what does this mean is for every x, there exists a y. Now, let's see if we use this one prior to this one, then what will happen? If we write there exist before this one, then the meaning would be there exists an x such that every y. So, you can see in these two sentences the meaning is totally different. That's why the order in nested quantifiers is important. Now let's try to understand the topic through an example of a nested quantifier. Example is for all there exist loves. This one is the statement loves x comma y. So what does this mean? For every person X, there exists at least one person Y such that X loves Y. Now, let's take the same example with the different sequence. So here we use it like this. So the meaning changes to there is someone who is loved by everyone. So in the previous example, here there exists at least one person which is loved by X. But in the next example, there is a person who is loved by everyone.